Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about the top 7 gadgets of 2023. Technology is rapidly evolving and every year we get to witness some exciting new inventions. So, without further ado, let's get started. Smart glasses. The first gadget on our list is smart glasses. These glasses are equipped with augmented reality technology that enables you to see the world in a completely different way. You can use them for various purposes such as navigation, gaming, and even for work. They come with a built-in camera, microphone, and speaker, making them a perfect hands-free device. Foldable phones. Next on our list is the foldable phone. These phones have been in development for quite some time now, and they're finally ready to hit the market. The foldable phone can be used as a regular phone or can be opened to reveal a larger screen, providing a more immersive experience for the user. Autonomous drones. Autonomous drones are becoming increasingly popular in the tech world, and they are set to take over in 2023. These drones can be programmed to fly specific routes, take pictures, and even deliver packages. They are a perfect tool for various industries, including agriculture, logistics, and even entertainment. Self-driving cars. Self-driving cars are no longer a thing of the future. They are here now, and they are revolutionizing the way we travel. These cars are equipped with various sensors and cameras, making them capable of driving themselves without human intervention. They are safer, more efficient, and will change the way we commute forever. Wearable health trackers. Wearable health trackers have been around for some time now, but they're continually evolving. The latest wearable health trackers can monitor your heart rate, blood pressure, sleep patterns, and even detect potential health issues. They are a perfect device for fitness enthusiasts and anyone willing to improve their overall health. 5G-enabled devices. The fifth gadget on our list is 5G-enabled devices. 5G is the latest wireless technology that promises faster internet speeds and low latency. With 5G-enabled devices, you can download files, stream videos, and play online games with ease. 5G technology will undoubtedly transform the way we use our devices in 2023. Artificial intelligence or AI assistants. Lastly, we have AI assistants. AI assistants such as Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant have been around for a while now, but they are continually improving. They are becoming more intelligent, more intuitive, and more useful than ever before. AI assistants can help you with various tasks, including scheduling appointments, making phone calls, and even ordering groceries. So there you have it, the top 7 gadgets of 2023. From smart glasses to AI assistants, these gadgets are set to change the way we live, work, and play. Which gadget are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.